Hello, friends. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fabulous. Here is your committed friend Mukta, and welcome back to our channel Vibrance and Vitality. And today I am going to talk about a reliable, committed, and an efficient friend. I'm sure you must be wondering that how a mode of transport will be an efficient, committed, and a reliable friend. Yes. So today I am going to talk about my trusty companion, the Delhi Metro. And yes, it is not a person, it is not a thing, it is not my near and dear one, but it is more than that. It's not only a mode of transport, but it is more than the mode of transport, and it is my reliable friend. So, my dear friend, would you think that a mode of transport can become a more than that, and it's one of the most trusted friend of anyone else? So here it is my trusted friend, because do you know, the other public cars the 1.5 hour journey, but I am one of the luckiest. I am one of the luckiest person that always express my gratitude towards my mode of transport, because I travel for more than 1.5 hours and I gain knowledge. I am able to read books. I am able to get values, ethical, legal, and more than that. So I always express my gratitude, and I start to express my gratitude at the checking point. So whenever I entered from the checking point and the ma'am checks me, that is my first point to express my gratitude. Thank you very much, ma'am. And it gives me a sense of satisfaction, it gives me a sense of value, and it gives me a sense of commitment. So I used to read books in the metro train, and I always get seats. The people again start to curse that in the metro train I do not get seat. But you know, I started setting my mindset that I will get a seat in the metro train, and I always get a seat. So since then I start to read books, I start to go through some podcasts, I start to go through some stories, some reels as well, some inspirational, motivational quotes and posts. And I used to gain learning, I used to gain knowledge, I used to gain insight. And that is what my strength. Various things are weakness. But here I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards the Delhi Metro, one of the largest network of the metro train in the world. And you know, my friends, it reduces 30% of traffic congestion in our city. It is just a lifeline of our city. It's not only a mode of transport, but it's a lifeline for our city, for our public. So it's always a reliable friend in our thick and thin. Whether it's raining or it's storming, whether it's heat stroke, we can enjoy the its cool atmosphere, we enjoy its AC, we enjoy the pleasant journey of the metro train. So again, once again, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude towards my metro train, towards the Delhi metro train, and towards my reliable, committed, and an efficient friend. It's not just a mode of transport, but it's my trusted companion. It's my trusty. It's my on-go companion. It makes us reach from one place to other. And in addition to that, moreover, it makes me efficient. It makes me efficient to get learning, to become a lifelong learner. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. And if you are a traveler of Delhi Metro, so comment in the comment section about your experience. How do you experience about this Delhi Metro? I will be very pleased to hear your comment, your experience about the Delhi Metro. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and put on your bell icon so that you will be stay connected with me for more such updates. Thank you all.